Hi, my name is Adrie Cardol and I am a product owner at 2increase and responsible for the Job Management Suite. In this product video, I will explain the added value of work breakdown structures. In this project, the deliverable is a machine, and to make it more manageable, the job is broken down in job tasks. In project management, this is called decomposition, dividing the deliverable into smaller parts. Now, each of these packages can apply to different components of the machine. For the demo, I color-coded the frame, the hydraulics, the electronics and the shielding. The same applies to the activities required to realize this project: engineering, manufacturing and installation. This leads to a colorful combination. In Business Central, all costs like material, resources, equipment and expenses as well as revenues are posted to the job tasks. This will give you insights in the cost and revenues for each task. However, what is missing are the insights in the main components and activities. This is where the additional work breakdown structures come in. By using job elements for the main cost components, the costs of job tasks 1, 3 and 7 are aggregated in the element frame, 2, 4 and 6 into hydraulics, and so on. The same applies to activities. Engineering costs from job tasks 1, 6, 8 and 10 are aggregated in activity engineering, 2, 3, 5 and 12 in manufacturing, and so on. So additional work breakdown structures give you more visibility on your project. Now let me show you what that looks like in a demo. The work breakdown structures depend on a repository. We have the element repository, and that is there to make sure that everybody in the organization is using the same codes and descriptions. And the same applies to the activities, also a repository. So once you are in the job, or set it up already in a job template, but you can define the job elements by selecting them from the repository. And as you can see, already the budget lines are aggregated in here. So in every in the job tasks, the job task list from the job, we see a combined description in this example. If we zoom into the detailed job task list, we see that the combined description is made up of the description of the element and the description of the activity. And in that way, automatically the description for the job task is created. Now, in every posting that is done from this job task or any of these job tasks, automatically the elements and the activities are included in the job ledger entry, so that later on, also in the financial reporting, you can report on elements and activities. The choice for element and activity is optional. However, once chosen, you have to specify an element and an activity in every posting to the job. To summarize, you create more visibility by using additional work breakdown structures. You can break down the deliverable in its main components, the elements, and then define for each element the activities required to create the element. The combinations of element and activities are then the work packages, the job tasks. Thank you for watching.